6. War Raiders treating O'Reilly like a crash test dummy, but O'Reilly's no dummy.
That's 300 pounds.
Superplex by Strong. Handspring, double back elbow. What the hell? Oh my gosh.
No!
Oh wow, and Pete Dunlake's finger food. Cachasono has a thing for toes. Was he biting his toes?
God.
Oh, wow!
Did
And
you see
Ricochet
that?
lands on his feet. Mamma mia! Can you believe it, Nigel?
No one can. They can boo all they want, but
Oh,
My God!
Did you see
Ricochet sailed over the top turnbuckle, wiping out Gargano. Slingshot DDT plants the champion.
That is
Gargano. No!
I
The
think we're about to
exposed
find out
Florent Gargano.
what Gargano we're dealing with.
No! Brainbuster! Oh my God! On the exposed floor, Gargano just drove Ricochet straight down. Did Aleister Black just kick out of the Pharaoh?